Cassie Causey here, and so many of you have been asking me for a training on how I create images that have movement and the cute little short videos that I do on social media. So I'm going to show you guys how I create them. Okay, so my little secret on videos is that I create short little snippets. I'm going to try to show you right here. What I do, I create little snippets of videos to make my full video. So my snippets might be 2 seconds, might be 5 seconds, and then after I make these short little snippets, I will actually piece these snippets together to make one long video. And I'm going to show you guys how I create the actual video. So once I have the little snippets, I go into an app called Video Shop. And then I will import all of my little snippets into Video Shop. So I just select all of the little snippets that I've done and I import them into Video Shop. Once they're in Video Shop, then you can go into each little snippet and you can trim it. So trim the beginning and the end to where you want it to start and stop so that you have a smooth transition from snippet to snippet. And I do that for each of the snippets so you don't see me starting the video and ending each of the videos, and it smooths very nicely from one to the other. I can then add any text to the images. I can add any music to the video that I want to. And I like to do this where a lot of times I'm not talking in the video because you can also do voiceover within Video Shop. There's a spot in there where you can add what's called stickers. You can add stickers, and stickers could be a still image or it has like movements like GIFs that you can add on top of your video that just create a lot of movement within the video itself. And then whenever you are finished, you can export this and save it onto your phone, or you can save it to Facebook, you can save it to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, anywhere that you want to save it at, you can actually export it onto that. I like to export it onto my camera roll, and then I will do a little extra to it within an app called Canva. So I use Canva a lot, and I'm going to show you a little different ways that you can use Canva just to change a still image, even if it's just an image of you or an image of a product, to create a little movement and a little flow that grabs your audience's attention. Okay, what you see in front of you is Canva's home screen. Canva has a few different plans. You get access to a free plan that has over 250,000 free templates, hundreds of designs, and hundreds of thousands of free photos. I actually have the Pro plan, which is $9.99 a month, or you can pay by the year for an even more discounted plan. And that gives you access to even more movement videos and things like that. So some of the things that I love about Canva is just all of the features and functionality that it has and the design features that you have access to. So just a quick overview of what Canva is. It gives you the ability to design your own marketing materials. It has tons of templates built within the system. So as you can see on the home screen, it gives you recommended for you, and it saves all of your designs automatically. When you go to the Pro plan, it does give you the ability to create sections for teams, and you can share templates that you build with teammates as well. And it also has a content planner where you can come in here and share content on your social media platforms. You can also share or create your own brand, your logo brand, and your logo colors and fonts and styles so that it knows up front what your brand looks like, and it can keep those in store for you based off of the designs that you pick. So on the templates, you can see that there are social media templates, events, marketing documents, prints, videos, all types of templates that you can choose. I am on social media a lot, so I typically choose the social media templates, and it has tons of Instagram, animated, TikTok, Facebook posts, covers, you name it, it is here. So anything that you're looking for, you can always search. There's a search field in it. There it is. For something that you're looking for, and it's going to find it for you. You can always start with a template, or you can start with a blank one. I like to start with a blank one, and for today's demonstration, we're just going to do a blank one because that's something that I'm used to. You may want to start with a template. So the video that we created, I'm actually going to pull it into this template for you guys, and we're going to create a video within a still image. I know it sounds crazy, but just stay with me for a moment. So if you notice on the left side, there are some additional buttons here that you can click where you can change the background. You can add videos, and I think videos, you get a few free ones, but if you notice that little pro there, you have to be a pro subscriber to get access to that one, and it will tell you, like, this one is free, this one is free. If you don't have a pro account and you see something that is pro, you can use it, but I think when you download it, you would have to pay like $1 or something for that one. There is audio built in here. Elements, if you search for something, let's just say, congratulations, you can click this icon here and you can search for static or animated, and it will show you animation as well as a static post. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I have already uploaded that video that we created. Once I upload it, I can click it and it's going to pop it in here. I can resize it. I can also, if you notice the little scissors here, I can trim it if I want to. But I've already trimmed it. So I've already done the work in my video shop, so I don't have to do that within Canva. But before I do this, I'm actually going to go to Elements, and I am going to scroll down here, and I am going to find me a frame. So a frame allows you to put a picture inside of it, and I'm going to look for, all right, that's kind of an iPad, I think is what that one is. So we're going to upload this in here, and when it plays, we can still see everything that we want. Okay, let's resize it a little bit. So this is a quick short video. It's a 32-second clip on how to create ombre lips. So I want to add text at the top. How to ombre. We'll move that there. Do we want a background? We can go to Photos and search lips. We could do this one in the back. Resize it, and then you can do position and move it to the back. We can also, you double click it, I can change the transparency of it, and we're going to move this more to the center. How to ombre. Let's do confetti. Alright, so I'm going to do this one. I'm going to resize it so that it fills my entire background. And then I'm going to position it all the way to the back. How to ombre. And so we get something like this. And then when we play it, So that is now your image that has movement in it. And when you're ready, you can just download this. And save it, and it's good to go. Now you can post this to any social media that you want to. If you're on the pro account, you can actually go ahead and publish this to your Facebook account. I think there's other social medias that you can save on your pro account and publish it to. So I'm going to show you a few more tricks up my sleeve on how I use Canva. And this one is going to be removing a background from an image to add to another image. And you can still add movement. So I'm going to come into social media. I am going to use a Facebook post, and I like to start with a blank slate. So again, you can use a template for this. I am going to come over here under photos, and I am going to search spa. So I'm looking for something that it's going to give me a spa feel. So I like this picture. So I'm just going to use this picture. I'm going to fill up my background with it. And now I want to use an image of myself to go over here. We can just pick this one. Now that I have this image in here, I'm going to click Edit. And from here, you can see background remover. You do have to have a pro account for this one, but I love this feature and I use it all of the time. And it's going to remove the background. Look at that. I can also flip this. It's taking a minute. It's thinking. Now I do see that it's got bamboo here. So let me flip that back. I want to flip that back. I'm going to Elements and I'm going to look up bamboo. Let's do this one, and we're just going to kind of throw some of this on top. Now I also want one of our images on here. Let's just pull this one, which is our daily essentials, and I'm going to edit and remove background, and it's done a great job. To remove this dish, like I could remove all of this, so let's see if it'll let me do it now. Right here, erase, and you can adjust your brush size. And I'm actually going to do this. I'm actually going to erase all of this here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this here, just like that. Now I have the renew, and we can say something at the top. We can add a text and renew your skin. You can change the color. You can click effects and you can add the way it looks. You can also arch it if you wanted to. If you want to add animation to this, you would go to Elements, and again, you can search on anything. So I'm going to do search on spa, and I'm going to come here and do animated. Nothing comes up. Let's search love. Here is a cute heart. Going to add a heart down here. I am going to twist it a little bit, and I'm going to position it backwards so it falls behind. So this adds a little animation to your still image. I'm going to do the same heart. I'm going to add it back here. I'm going to twist it and position it backwards. There we go. And there is your image. I'm going to show you. There it is. So that was just a few tips and tricks on applications that I use when I create my videos, as well as fun still images that have movement. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know what you like the most in the comments. If you guys would love more training on Canva and how I use it, there's tons more things that you can do with that application. Let me know in the comments what you're interested in. I am more than happy to share with you guys. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this, and I will see you guys next time.